Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So you went from no wall 412s to what's in here
410.
now? 410s? Mm-hmm. What type of subs?
One Scar crappy ass sub 1400.
1400 Scar 1500. On what subs?
Kicker 10s.
Oh, 4 kicker 10s.
Yeah.
The CVRs? Or do you not know? Let's look. Oh, okay. I think they are the CVRs. All right.
I found those over there at home. I'm like, oh shit.
Really?
Something.
All right. And you metered a 142.
0.2.
0.2. Are you happy with it?
Nah.
Get a little more.
Let me see.
For just 4 little 10s, dude. Hey, it's still pretty good, man.
That's 410.
It makes everything on top pop too up here.
Yep.
It'll make things flop. Can I see the ant? Where's it at?
Right here, this side.
Wow. Is this flopping a lot?
Yeah, it's like I'm saying, don't move off it.
S10, this thing's low. Any battery? Stock electrical.
Stock electrical.
Okay. And this is an old school.
Yep.
So it is a 1400.
Yep.
Oh, I thought it was the 1500 RP.
It's the old school.
Okay. And you're wired at 1 ohm?
Yep.
Okay. Awesome. Nice to meet you, man. Thanks for the demo.
Hey, no problem.
Yes, sir. Can I get a picture real quick?
Oh, yeah.
With all of it. That way I can see it all at once. Sorry about that. Appreciate it.
You good.
Awesome. They'll like this one, man. You don't see systems like this. It's pretty cool. Did you build the box?
Yep.
Really? And you got a little bracing in here for the port?
Oh, yes.
So you got 4 ports. Is this common chamber or are they separate?
It's separate chamber.
Oh, so you got 4 separate chambers. Do you know the specs of the box? Like this cubic wise tuning, any of that? Do you know that at all?
Nope.
You don't? You just
measure what they're gonna feed over there.
you just made it work.
Yep.
Okay. Awesome. Well, nice to meet you, man. You have a good day. Appreciate the demo.
No problem.
I like the truck, dude. What year is it?
2003.
2003. Good little project truck. You have a good day, man.
Let me put it up here. There's the space.
Oh, let's do it. Oh. Oh, you got some flex. Nice. Wow. That's lowrider right there. Hey, you have a good day, man. Thanks for showing me that. That was cool. Ready?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.